Hello and welcome to the second task. This is a cross rail part for a chair and we're going to make a model for it. First of all, we're going to make a rectangular pattern up here, and to make it as a pattern, solid pattern, the direction should be taken here and the distance between the two should be 300 millimeters. Okay. We're going to make the model on top of it. Start a new sketch on top. There. And we're going to make the outside as a project geometry. That one. And this one down here. Now we can make a line from the top point up here to the bottom point. There. That should be dark blue. It didn't. Just try it again. A line from this point to this point. There. Now it's dark blue. Strange. Do the same on the other sides. From that point to this point. It turns dark blue immediately. Great. E for extrusion. Just make sure that it's all there. This. Oh, just do it again. E for extrusion. This, and this. And it's fulfilled up there. I'm satisfied. And thickness is 31 millimeters. I'm happy with that. Oh, I have forgot something. Just edit it, the feature, and put it as a new solid. Okay. We're going to make the model longer because we need space for stops, etc. Thicken offset, and this should be offset for 100, like this. And we will do the same in the other side. Remember the automatic blending. Now the size of the model is as we wish. There. I'm just going to remove the cross rails, delete the face, slump avoid these two, and okay. And that's all I need for making the part in AlphaCam. Just going to save it as a step file or export it as a step file in a CAD format. There. And model for, I'm going to call it a cross rail. There. And save it. Perfectly. Going into AlphaCam. Make it drag and drop. Model for cross rail here. Just take it out there and drop it as a solid. Simplify and heal. There it is. Just into utilities and auto. Not happy with that one, but just have to rotate it a little bit. Go into edit. Go into rotate. This is the one we're going to rotate. Right click and left click on this blue one. And it's going to be rotated. You can't see, I can see there are 90 degrees. Enter and enter for just one copy. Now we just have to move this point back to 0.0. Move. You can say this or you can use all. Right click on it, and by using F6 we can find the endpoint of this. This will be 0. Enter, enter, enter. Right now, Control A for zoom all. It's in the right position. We're going to have the volume put in there. And right click. We're just going to test the size of it. To cut and show coordinates and using F6 up here. The length is 600, width is 366, and the thickness is 31 millimeters. I'm happy with that. And extraction, use the edge of the solids here and turn off the solid model. Right now we're just going to mill this front and the back of it, not the ends. Go into the machine, choose the tool, you go into example tools, and the rough milling is 12 times 35. Double click on it and put it on the screen. Rough and straight milling, auto set. Just use some of it. Under general, you have the tool, you have to the compensation there. And depth is 25. Oops, not there. It should be 5, and this should be -1. I want to let it go through this time because there's room enough. And this one, I'm going to call that 16. Going to leave 1 millimeter. And leading in, leading out, as usual. You can put it as a standard up here. Then you'll have for next time. Just reducing spindle rotation into 20,000. Now the tool is on the end of the mouse. Using F6, I can make a starting point here and an end point up here. A new starting point up here. Always using F6, it's not modal, you have to press it every time and right click. Now there's a rough milling. Just to test it, go into 3D, calculate material. Remember to make a small mark here. Yep, like this. Up here, I can't see right now, that's below. Okay, I have to turn it on. It has been removed somehow. Simulation as well. Okay, there. Now I have it all. Simulation, solids, and play. Now the tool is going all the way through, as I wish for. Yeah, just have to make a straight milling. Go into operations, right click on it, and copy the operation. Left click here, and click on the blue red arrow. Right click on it and edit it. Change the tool into a straight milling tool. Take this one. Yes, this will do. And depth and cuts. Here you should put in 0, just one time. And leave nothing left. There, I just have to reduction of the spindle rotations there and there. Just testing it. Solid simulation. And press play. Once, twice, there and there. And it is done. Just save this one and send it to your English teacher. Thank you.